Before you can begin programming, you must first set your current day and time. Start by inserting 2 fresh, brand new AA batteries. To set your current day, press Enter, then the Day button repeatedly until the current day appears at the top of the display. Next, set the hour by pressing the Hour button repeatedly until the correct time of day appears. Press the Minute button until the correct minutes for the current time appear. Press Enter to save your current day and time. If you do not press Enter within 30 seconds, your current day and time will not be saved and you will have to start over. For time changes, press Enter and then the hour to update the hour and Enter to save the new time.